Auto mirror folding is an electric feature that automatically folds your car's side mirrors inward when the car is locked and unfolds them when unlocked or the ignition is turned on. It's designed to prevent damage in tight spaces and can slightly improve aerodynamics. On the Nissan Leaf II, 2023, it's a standard or optional feature depending on the trim. As of 2026, it remains a useful convenience, particularly in urban environments. The primary benefits of auto mirror folding are preventing accidental damage to your mirrors in narrow parking spots or garages and reducing wind resistance when parked. While the aerodynamic improvement is minor, around 0.5 to 1% range boost for the Leaf, the damage prevention aspect can save you costly repairs. Many Leaf II owners, especially in cities, find it indispensable. To enable or disable this feature, start your Nissan Leaf II. Access the infotainment system either through the touchscreen or using the steering wheel controls. Navigate to the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, look for Vehicle Settings or Driver Assistance. The exact menu name may vary slightly depending on your model year. For example, 2018-2020 models might use a Vehicle submenu. Select the appropriate option to proceed. Once you're in the Vehicle Settings or Driver Assistance menu, find the option labeled Auto Folding Mirrors. Toggle this setting to either on to enable the automatic folding or off to disable it. The change should take effect immediately. If you have trouble using the touchscreen, there's a backup method. Locate the Mirror Fold button on your door panel, usually near the mirror adjustment controls. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 seconds. This should toggle the auto folding feature on or off. Keep in mind that this setting is user-specific and might reset if the car battery is disconnected or after a software update. Also, low-key fob battery can sometimes cause the mirrors to fail to unfold. If you encounter issues, check for recalls and consult your owner's manual. While auto-folding mirrors are common now, future vehicles, including upcoming Nissan models, may integrate AI to predict when mirrors should fold based on GPS data or environmental conditions. The industry is also exploring retractable or digital mirrors, potentially making physical folding obsolete in the long term.